Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by material in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. Now here you can just find basically a product, or you can just press on a category here, and after that press on filters. And now you can just find the material filter, and you can just select the material that you're looking for. After that press on view, and you will be able to find every item here now that is made out of that material or has that material in it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.